Hi guys, it's Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food, and today we're making my low-carb skillet snickerdoodle cookie. The first thing is almond flour, and I always use Bob's Red Mill almond flour. I find it to be the best for my low-carb cookies. It has great flavor and texture. I swear you wouldn't know them from regular cookies. So, you put in your almond flour, your favorite low-carb sweetener, and then to make it a snickerdoodle, you have to have some cream of tartar and a little bit of baking soda and some cinnamon and just a little bit of salt, which always tastes good in baked goods. And then you just want to stir these things together. And once everything's pretty well combined, you just add half a cup of melted butter, 1 egg, and a little bit of vanilla. You're just going to simply stir everything together until it resembles cookie dough. And you can just kind of press it down a little to combine it all nicely, get it all worked in there. And the thing I love about skillet cookies is they're much easier. You don't have to sort of hand roll your dough and do individual cookies each time. You just put it all in the same pan and bake it. And it's nice because they're softer in the middle too, and then they're just sort of gooey. Okay, that looks about right. Let me just scrape off my spatula. And now you can just transfer it to your pan. And you should grease your pan a little before you do this. It doesn't have to be a cast iron pan. It can be a pie plate if you want. It could be ceramic or glass too. I just like that the cast iron kind of gives it a little bit of a crusty edge, so it's really nice that way. You just spread it all out, kind of make it even. I'm not always good at this, so I end up with a bit of lumpiness, but it doesn't make a difference to the flavor. Get it all nicely spread out and pat it down. And now you just put it in a 325 oven for about 22 minutes. You want the edges to be nicely browned, but you want the cookies still to be a little soft in the middle. Well, that looks perfect. It just came out of the oven, and now I'm going to sprinkle it with some sweetener and a little bit of cinnamon, just like a real snickerdoodle cookie. Just mix these up. And you want to sprinkle it on while it's still warm, because that way it sticks a little better, and then the cinnamon gets all warm and delicious. You just sprinkle it all over. And now your snickerdoodle cookie is ready for eating. You can eat it while it's warm, or you can wait for it to cool and cut it into nice slices. We love it hot with a little bit of vanilla ice cream on it. It kind of tastes like apple pie without the apples. For the full recipe, visit alldayidreamaboutfood.com.